There's one target group we did discuss a lot in this discussion today, but also many stands. I don't see any strategy on the elderly people. We see in countries like Germany, in 10 years, about 30-35% of the people is over 65. And these people have money. They have investment, they have money to invest. Where are the real good concepts for elderly housing in medium-sized cities, bigger cities, where these people want to live? I see the 500 million I will put on this target group.
Great. Thanks. I would look for the top 20 brain hubs in Europe, where there's good universities, good technology companies, young people. For example, Lisbon has grown to one of those, Amsterdam and other cities, and would invest there in housing, not only micro-living, but also normal housing.
Great, thank you. Thierry?
I will concentrate on development new stock in Germany and also doing experimentation of innovation in residential, green residential, student residential, and kind of mixed concept rather than pure residential living.
Okay, Michiel.
If I would be looking for a little bit more juice, a little bit higher returns, I would be focusing on Poland and Spain. If I would like to have a balanced portfolio, I would go between 30 to 60 in Germany, about 0 to 30 Netherlands and France, about 0 to 30 in non-Euro countries like Denmark, UK eventually when there's Brexit clearance, and 0 to 30 in Spain and Poland for the extra juice.
Okay, good. Wes?
So I think it was what Warren Buffett said, diversity is for people who lack conviction. So I'll pick one. But I think we think the middle market purpose-built rental housing opportunity in London is one of the better opportunities in the world because of the supply and demand imbalance for that segment, for that demographic, and global capital's insatiable appetite to own assets in London. And I think the combination of those two make it really, really compelling for us.
Okay, great. Sascha?
I would place my money in two general trends. The one is education, which will get more and more important. The second one is flexibility in the business world. Both things are buying into serviced apartments for whatever reason. And I would do 50% in Germany. I would add Spain with 20%, and I think Poland is very, very interesting. And I would go for some allocation in Poland as well.
Thank you very much for joining us. And if you could thank the panel for me, that would be great. Thank you.